Ah, there we go. We got sound, Chad. There we go. Guys, all credibility. That was our boy Mo. Mo stole one of our cables. So we were missing a cable. So you can blame Mo for that one. My boy trying to cause us to fail, yeah. But there we go. We got sound, guys. But as you were saying, welcome back, guys. It is great to be back. Been a while. Obviously, as I was saying, big ups to Jev for taking the authority and literally doing something of his own stream to at least give you guys some signals and analysis moving forward. But big ups to him, so well done on that one. But we missed you guys. It was, again, if you were in London session, it was a great start off to the week. But again, there's no place like home, and that is where the stream is, guys. So the Chads, we are loving being back today. But yeah, as you got some sound again, let's dive right into it, guys. We've missed you guys. Markets are actually been acting out quite nicely, so nothing to complain about there. But let's just welcome everyone in so far that is here. We got Slushy, Kiosh, Fayard, Etienne, Jamie, Josh, Mindset Club, Cole Fisher, YSL, Cecil, Cornelius, Craig Becker. Cecil, is that family of Vince? Just asking there. Craig and Tando, I don't know if I said Mastery Manifest, Earl, Ruben, Killy. Who else are we missing? Yeah, that I haven't greeted yet. Lyle, I don't remember seeing you there. Who else? Let's see. Atomic, Bev, and Fabio. What's up, guys? Great to be back. Keegan, do you eat pickled fish? Yeah, I do, brother. Bit of a random one there, but I do. I am nervous now, Cornelius. Forex Man Machine, what's up, guys? But yeah, let's dive right into it. Again, starting off quite well this morning, absolute banger trade on GU. A nice TP as you got back. But guys, I'm just going to tell you, you are not going to want to miss out. We were saying our first episode should be out on the 15th, where we are going to start the Cape Town Trips podcast coming out. But the top trader coming out very soon, guys, very soon. Looks like the industry talks are gonna be out first, so that was the overall one we did all together, and then it's Chris, and then I am last. So yeah, those should be coming out in the next week or so, so keep an eye out for those ones. Jeff, that Discord stream was saucy. If you know, you know. Guys, I didn't want to know what went on in that stream. I don't want to know, don't tell me. If I heard nothing, I know nothing. So let's get right into it, guys. We've missed you guys. So alright, DXY, we are still remaining bullish, guys. Perfect example what we're talking about on the 4 hour. We were actually looking bullish over here. For this key level, we spoke about that test. I want to see if we got that continuation, which we did perfectly. But I said to you guys, again, something breaks, it needs to retest to see if it holds as that breakaway. So obviously coming back for the retest with that failure. Going back, I'm going to take a guess. There was dollar news today, so I'm going to take a guess that didn't come out too hot, but we will jump into that. So obviously knowing that came out like that, we can have the pullback. Obviously now going back into the range. Asia lows have been tested holding that daily EQ and pivot. So we could have honestly just had the pullback, hold this R1 and continue to the top side, or we could even consolidate around Asia highs and this R1 before maybe having a sell off. So literally just gonna see what happens, guys. We'll kind of just react on that one, if I'm being honest with you. But then going over to gold, we are still quite bullish on. I mean, you can't tell me you want to sell into that. As much as we're at the highs, I can't sell without a reason to sell, guys, so we want to take note of that one. But over to the 4 hour, you can see we've basically broke, holding this little bit of a structure to now break to the top side. Another little bit of support zone, we broke back above. So personally, I actually want to see now a bit of a pullback to this R weekly resistance, even this breakaway zone, because this is actually a support we've always been holding and then breaking under. Now we've had a massive break but no retest, so I'd love to see us, as we finally got past this 2200, maybe have a pullback, retest this 2200 for us to trade bullish again after that. So dropping down again on the 30 minutes, we are seeing this play out nicely. I don't want to jinx it, but again, if we do see something like that happen, a break and close underneath here, this will be a beautiful sell for us. Even though we are bullish, guys, we are always aware of that market structure to see those intraday pullbacks. All right, so that's what we want to take note of over there. Again, if DXY is going to regain that momentum and continue bullish, this is definitely on the cards for us today. So we will just take note of that if we start breaking into this weekly resistance area. Other than that, we'll see purely if we can get a little bit more of an entry, taking out these highs. So maybe testing this, pulling back a retest of that R3, I think it is for the day, R2. Then we will continue with that. But again, I must say I do like the sells on this. Then over to Nas, guys, we are in a bit of a neutral position purely because I don't like this right here, and we are holding under this resistance. But again, as I always say to you guys, as much as that is there, we have tested at a support and held that, giving us the first bullish candle after this pullback. If you'll see, obviously that is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, giving us that thing. And we always say Monday, Tuesday kind of tending to be the opposite, so that on a weekly you're getting something like this, very bullish, but you are testing a support and closing and then flipping. So that's what we're taking note of. So again, if that was dollar weakness, when we go over to the fundamental sides, very likely we can see over here this break of structure come in and then the continuation. So seeing something like this. So we are just going to keep an eye out on that. On the 15, as I said, I do like this, but again, the consolidation is a little zone over here between this resistance and daily EQ. But again, these are very, very weak highs here. Every time it's been tested, it's getting weaker and weaker. So we definitely could see a bit of a hold here and a pull to the top side. So we're going to take note of that one. Then over to US30. US30, I am more clearly bullish. As you can see, we got that little support which we are starting to break back up to now on the 4 hour, breaking that support. So again, might just see a little bit of a pullback and then a extension onwards. So when we start dropping down here to the 15, guys, only thing I said to you I want to take note of is you got all of this down here, daily pivot, EQ, that remains untested. We had a very big strong push the previous day. So if anything, we could maybe just have a bit of a push down into this, faking everyone out, testing this Asia highs, or even literally just testing the support zone and then trading back above. So we're going to keep an eye out for that one and see what happens over there. But other than that, I definitely am still bullish. I don't have a reason to sell off, so that's what I'm looking at. Before we go to Jev quickly, let's just look at the fundamental side of things. What did that news come out as? So GDP coming out a little actually higher, final GDP also coming higher, but unemployment claims coming out lower. So there we go, it's actually mixed data. That's the problem we are having there. So you obviously got a higher GDP, which is dollar strength, unemployment claims coming out lower. So that's actually dollar coming out lower. That's actually also dollar strength. Sorry, that's my mistake. No, that's my mistake. So those unemployment claim numbers coming out lower as well. That is actually pure dollar strength. So that's actually quite interesting for us there. I'll look on the terminal though if that was maybe a bit of a surprise, but those numbers don't seem too drastic to have been a surprise for me. So that could have all been priced in. 4 o'clock, obviously we got pending home sales and consumer sentiment. Last week or Tuesday, I think it was, consumer sentiment not really doing anything that important. So not going to stick too much on that, but we'll see what happens. But other than that, that is everything from my side. Jeff, ooh, hold on. It was because of thingy. Hold on, let me just.
Is my price tag
your screen's like off. Just hold on. Because obviously I have to reset the thing. So just give me a sec here, guys. Just give me a sec here. There we go. All right. Okay. Jeff, just pull your price bar a little bit for me. A little bit more. Like a little bit more.
Okay, so just off. Just
there we go.
Yeah, okay, just after that thing. Okay.
Okay. Jeff, you live, brother.
So DXY, like I said to our members earlier, so this high that we spoke of. Okay, Keegan, before we we'll get to that in a second. Please remind me. I want to ask you something. I want to know if I'm tripping or not. The second. Okay, so then from there, you guys can see that I've been talking about this high. So this is last Friday's high. Now initially, I like to see sweeps of highs and lows. So initially this move up and down, this could be a sweep of that high, but I can only flip bearish once the DXY takes out this low over here. But currently bullish on the day. As you can see over here, this fair value gap has been tested, and we also have the pivot slightly below that. So I do expect price to retrace down a little bit more, maybe taking out this low, testing the pivot, and then go up, leaving the Asian lows untested. But initially I want to see DXY go up until the weekly R1 before looking for shorts. But if we do break below this level, we will flip and then look for shorts from there. But initially from there on, bullish on the dollar for the session. Euro USD, as you can see as well, very similar. Daily pivot at the Asian high, daily open, as well as an unmitigated supply zone, and also institutional level of 1.08 to 50. So once we get to that high, I will start looking for sells. Alternatively, like I said, also if DXY flips and we break this low, or if we come back towards this low and sweep it, then I will potentially look for a buy. And then on GBP USD, also very similar. Price has left us with this double bottom down. As you can see, a wick and a wick. So I usually see that as liquidity, which means that the lucky people break even at that level. So from there, basically, I want to see price come down, look for buys. But alternatively, we have the weekly pivot up here, and slightly above it, the weekly R2 and the unmitigated supply zone. And slightly below it, we have 1.26500. As you can see, price is tested. But then again, I see this as liquidity as well. I want to see that be taken out. Then moving on to gold, I'd like to see sales on gold as well. So initially I want to see a change of character take place if we can see a break below this level, and then a potential retest into the pivot. As you can see, we have the R1 over here and the daily pivot. So if we can get into this zone, then we can start looking for sells. So very simple, and we'll target the Asian lows on gold. Moving forward, USD yen, I've been waiting for it, and same thing over here. If DXY pushes up and flips and you can push UJ up, we'll start looking for sells. But initially I can't look for buys on UJ, not my cup of tea. And then US30, not really something I want to trade right now either, especially at these highs. But initially Nasdaq, I do have the supply zone, and like I said as well, now this over here, the only thing that scares me is because we didn't have any valid close. So I can't, it's hard for me to say we should flip bearish, but initially internal structure is bearish. So if we can get down to the daily pivot, weekly pivot, this unmitigated demand zone, I will look for buys. But initially at the weekly open at 18350 fair value gap, that supply zone, I might look for a sell. So that is pretty much it. Oh yeah, and also UJ, sorry, Euro yen. If we can see price just retrace down into this levels down here, I might potentially start looking for buys. And also the reason for that's because Asian highs untested, and this goes back to what I've taught you guys in the alchemy. So yeah. Okay, so Keegan, I want to ask you something.
Alright.
Did you look at DXY yesterday? No, not yesterday, Wednesday morning. Not Wednesday morning, so that was yesterday, Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning.
Or Tuesday, did you look at DXY?
I think I did, yeah.
Okay, so you also had a massive Asian box, ne? Did you also see the spikes in Asian session?
No.
So that is so weird.
Wait, hold on. I'll go look at an app for you.
So no, it's gone now. What's weird is we marked out our Asian sessions. There were spikes in Asia, and then yesterday afternoon we came back. The spikes were gone. Without any. So initially when I opened my Asia, like you'll see over here, my zones look very big, but they were wicks here. I want to know if I'm the only one who saw that. See, so I'm not the only one. Kiyash said it, Tobin said it. There's people who say that they saw it and now it's gone. That's very weird.
Okay, so what are you getting to with this?
It's just, I want to know if I was the only one, and if you guys also saw it, like what's the reason for that? This is the first I've ever experienced this. Because now my boxes are blown out, so which means if I go and refine my boxes, like making them smaller, the fact remains that there was other data there during the week. Understand my point?
I want to look at this, hold on. So you were saying it was Tuesday?
Yeah, Tuesday.
Now you see what's funny is because my Asia range still shows like what my Asia range was. Like if you look at the...
Do you have an indicator on it?
Yeah. So that indicator still shows
Oh, that's the thing. I drew mine out manually.
So my indicator, like if I drew it, I would have drawn it. But I mean, this indicator shows where the charts have been.
So if you see in the chat, so Kiyash.
No, I'm not saying it never happened. I'm just saying like on mine now, it shows me like that's what it shows me.
Yeah, it's weird. It's like we all saw it and now it's just gone.
Interesting.
Yeah. So wait, I want to ask something also.
Yeah.
The people on the leaderboard on Wolf Thunder, are those all the people who are up on their accounts?
Should be.
So there's only 2 people who are up on their accounts.
Remember the last group of guys all just got paid out.
Oh, okay.
Or they're being processed. So yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, that should be the case.
Oh yeah, Neil. Not yet. I have saved it, but I wanna watch it when like I'm zoned in, you know. So it's weekend, long weekend. So I'm definitely gonna watch it over the next few days. I'll be honest. I've been watching Atlanta. A very weird series. Very, very weird.
The spike was Tuesday 2 a.m. candle.
Yeah. I remember the first spike was on Tuesday. It
Does it
spiked
still
both.
show you on like your like MetaTrader and stuff?
It was only on TVC, my the broker feed. Now here's the other thing also. When this happened, I stopped recording our sessions. So now it's hard for me to also go back to recording and like, you know, show you as well. It's so it's so frustrating.
Actually, hold on. I do remember though waking up and guys were talking about gold on Tuesday. Apparently had some massive wick. I remember that.
I
woke up and gold, something like this was like and gold had like some crazy wick, and people were like, "Oh, whoever was in swing trades just got their accounts blown up."
Sure.
I don't know. Maybe that was Tuesday, but I just remember seeing something about that.
Yeah, I didn't see anything on gold, but DXY definitely. But I wouldn't be surprised.
Sales on GU swept up side liquidity. Well, I honestly couldn't care, bro. I was in sales this morning, but I'm long out of that thing.
So call from my side. I want to see them go up more until the weekly pivot at 1.26585 more or less. Then only I can start looking for a sell. But initially, if we like, it's hard to say like because obviously we have swept yesterday's high and Asian's high and Asia high. But there's no change of character at this level. If it does take place, you're gonna have to wait until at least 1.26110. So that's like the 23 pip move down.
By the way, Jeff, what's your thoughts on the upgrades here in the office?
I like it. It feels different.
We're gonna build a proper podcast, yeah, bro.
It feels different.
Yeah, guys, just waiting 5 minutes till market open, but we'll see what we can get here. I must say I really am liking the gold sells, but we'll see what we can get. Might take something nice, yeah. So we'll see if we can get a break under this. That was all news, yeah. Yo, I really actually want to take the sells on Nas. But we're going to be patient here, guys. Got to get something worthwhile before I just take something.
Did anyone hold the buys on Nasdaq yesterday?
Did you guys take buys?
Yeah, but price was playing around on Nasdaq. I'm sure you've seen in the 15-minute. The price held that zone before it spiked. So we sat through a consolidation, and then just before we end, it's like, no, cut it.
No, but that's late.
Yeah, so like literally.
Where the hell did you take a buy from?
What was our entry even?
Because like the only good buy would have been in the morning, and that was actually the previous night.
So we bought
Otherwise,
it at
10 o'clock.
Let me just quickly double check it.
Oh, where the hell did you buy from?
We entered at. What did we wait for? Okay, I think we entered. Okay, yes. That spike happened so quickly, so our entry was at more or less 18,203 to more or less like 18,209, more or less that area.
18203.
18,203.
So what? You entered at like 6 o'clock.
No. So go. Wait. We're not in the same feed. Okay. So move your thingy up a bit more. So on your chart, it would have been between more or less 18,220, more or less that level. So so after that break, more or less, yes, and then stop below that.
I mean, you're like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
And then as Bright made higher highs, we adjusted stop, managing risk, but then we still had some risk open, but then we just cut the trade.
Gotcha. Do you have any, like, how many trades did you take while we were here?
4. First trade was EU, a stop, minus 5 pips. Second trade was gold, a stop, minus 15 pips. Second trade was GU, a break even, then it ran to TP. And then the Nasdaq, which we closed basically, and also ran into profit. So just 4 trades.
I mean, it's not bad considering it was 3 days and you took 4 in total.
Yeah, and our maximum.
Normally you're taking 4 in like 1 day.
Yeah, and our maximum loss was 20 pips.
Yeah. Jason, no, brother, I put out a video this morning about it on social media. You can go check it out there. We are running a Easter special on Vault Funder for you guys, so go out there, check the link, and you guys can go get a account with 40% off. But yeah, the Funder trade is chalk. They're not coming back. It's the same thing as my Forex Fund guys. They're going to tell you, we're going to, and because remember, they got to try calm the storm. Like, people are upset. They need to try calm it, not make it worse. So it's the whole thing of, we will come back. They're not coming back. They chalked. Anyone that had live accounts, you would have also got emails this morning saying all your contracts are terminated. So there's no pausing, like they're saying. They've literally, everyone's accounts are gone. So, yeah. They are chalked. Now killed the trade after it was struggling to push through there. Then out yards were long. Even SFT went down. Markets open, baby. That's it, guys. Lost active 100k. Yeah, definitely. I think a lot of people are irritated by that. Blowhorn for JV passing his phase 2. Oh, yeah, guys.
Yeah, and live accounts up 2.5%.
Congrats to my brother.
I can now officially say I'm a funded trader.
My boys finally joined the group, yeah. Alright, markets open, guys. Let's see. I actually want to see how quickly gold. I don't know why the Wi-Fi is so bad, yeah. Like, these pairs are doing their own thing. 130-minute close. Yeah, so what is going on? Why is it so bad? Okay, we did close below. I don't know if I want to enter just yet right now.
Hey Vince, I don't see messages like that.
Nah, sales incoming. I said we wanted to sell it. But yeah, we're gonna look at gold here, guys. Yeah, that's what we're gonna watch for. Yeah, hopefully we can get a nice sell in on gold. If Jeff posts withdrawals, we're going to ask for cash send. They're going to be all over Jeff. Man's mood is down.
No, it's just when I'm frustrated with Capitic, man. Yes, see.
Capitic.
Yeah. I don't know why their business accounts, like, when I have to log in, I can't log in. I need to pay our midwife. Otherwise, she won't catch our baby.
Alright, yeah, we're still waiting here, guys. We might take an entry on gold. We're just waiting around here, guys. Don't worry. Alright, Jeff, I'm having the same with NetBank, bro. I don't know how many times I need to re-feek a damn account, my bro.
Just see, bro. It's really frustrating. Because the thing is, what actually happens is now, like obviously now I've been trying to do things differently by operating from a business account, but now sometimes I can't log in, and it's like technically now the money is stuck. Understand my point? And that's the frustrating thing because, yeah, man.
Slash you personally, bro, I've been with FNB and I've never had problems. Like, okay, I'm not gonna like deny the fact that I've got a high up FNB account, so obviously they do start prioritizing a bit more. But I've never ever had an issue. Never.
The FNB is good. I do have an account with them as well. It's just for diversifying as well and making it convenient for payments. But it's really making me consider rather closing it.
US30 to 40k today, I promise. Well, we are bullish on it, brother, so you don't have to promise me anything. I just hope if you are giving the signals, you're in the trade as well then, my brother. So very, very big move, but we'll see if it gets there today. See ya, what's up, brother? Afternoon, my man. Slash FNB private accounts are lit. You get your own private banker. Yeah. So the minute you go to private clients, Premier, the private Premier, and then obviously private wealth, then that's very, very nice and easy. I need to also recommend said FNB brew. I'm tired of NetBank's like XA. But I don't want to open this. You know, my only thing is, guys, actually I'm not going to say that. That's going to hurt some people's feeling. Private wealth for the... Nila, don't lie, bro. You know you're also in private wealth. Don't lie to me. R&B private and FNB great for traders. Yeah, very, very true. You Investec. To be fair, actually, someone also did talk to me about Investec. I personally have never tried them, so I don't know. But someone was actually saying they were quite good.
It's a process to sign up. Not anyone can like open an account.
Yeah, it's a mission to get it. Alright, FNB, appreciate the advice, brothers. Anytime, bro. Don't be that guy, Neil, lol. I'm clapping that Aspire. Best bang for client services, Investec. 39,740 entry. Let's see, brother. Awesome, brother. I'm backing you. I'm backing you for it, bro. Avatar Investor Hub. I just joined, guys. Are any of you holding 700 pips in blues? No. I'm guessing you are, if you're asking me that question. Kyle, are you with Investec? What? That's obviously a swing trade, firstly, because I don't know what trade you would have been in today if you're holding 700 pips. I don't know what pair moved like that today for you. How about 2,200 pips? Apparently he closed the trade today. Who's this? Who are we talking about? Carl Jacobs agreed. No, I'm not. Just so Jay and I do a video of it now. Oh, I get you, brother. I get you. Oh, get of that clown. Get of that man. Must say this is my first time here and it's extremely informative. Most definitely going to see me for more every video and live session. Sending love from Cape Town. Now that's awesome, brother. Really appreciate the kind words. Yeah, we just got back from Cape Town. Unfortunately, guys, for those that did ask, we did really want to do a meet and greet, but as I promise you, if you guys had to see the behind the scenes, the graft we were putting in to get this content and stuff out for you guys was insane. Literally, we were missing meals. We weren't even eating on time. We were literally just grafting. So we say in the future we will plan a trip up where we'll do a much longer trip, and then we will definitely do stuff like with the community. So yeah, sorry for any of the guys that we didn't get to see when we were up there. It just was that grind. Joe's trade. Yeah, no, I get you guys. Yeah, that was so funny, that thing. Keeks gold sales after break under the supports. Yeah, I just want to see how this 15-minute closes, brother. That's all I'm waiting for. And if they're 15 we get a little bit of a pullback, I'll take it. Yeah, nope. Massive change, but when I was working at Absolute Invested Bank withdrawals, and if they offline they tell you to pay the client, and if it don't work then they will cover. Oh damn. Chris Bestie. Yeah, oh my word. Jeff, are you blocked by any of those rocket guys?
I think Joash blocked me.
Did he also block you?
I think he blocked me. And Darren Dix, yeah, he just blue ticks me. Oh, so leaves me unseen.
Roosh, I don't know which one it is, but definitely could be buys if DXY does start melting off, but if DXY regains itself, the sales can continue. I was in sales this morning, so yeah, I'm basically done with GU for the day, so that's why we're focusing over here now. But yeah, I don't know. Forex Insights SA Chad, oh, what is up, brother? Again, big shout out to my boy. Well done on the first videos, bro. I haven't finished watching the review on Rennie, but the first one, I absolutely loved it. I'm uploading a video on TFT right now, brother. You know I'm gonna go check that one out. You know I will.
Yeah, no,
we can bash them together.
Like I also told Ed, massive respect to him for actually starting a channel. It takes a lot of guts to put yourself out there.
Nah, big up to you, my brother. Guys, please host seminar or networking events throughout the country for real traders, not scammers, or traders who want to trade properly, not scammers, please, guys. Yeah, Voltari, we were talking about this earlier. We were thinking of the idea, maybe doing like the first South African Forex summit, but a proper one. So for example, we will partner with one of our sponsors, and all the guys that we are partnered with, all of us will do like a 3-day like summit, and you'll have almost a quick boot camps with each of those influencers, mentors, if you want to. But obviously, again, these are all guys that we do back, we stand by, so they are legit. Every single one of those guys are legit. So you will learn a different approach, but from legit guys, guys you can trust in the industry. So it is something we're looking at doing. That GU sell this morning was solid. Oh, appreciate it, brother. Keeks, is FX GT legit? I don't even know who that is, bro. I don't even know who that is. See, I use their $30 bonus. They are not too bad. Keeks, is the office in or close to Santon? Jamie, bro, we are not. We're not in Joburg. We're in PE, brother. So we travel to Joburg for other stuff, and then we now just got back from Cape Town. But our offices where we are now, we're in PE, brother. I'm down for that summit. Awesome, bro. But like I said, we definitely had like our fun that we did at 4 o'clock. But we definitely want to start doing things that are for the community now. Yeah, definitely do things that are like to give back to you guys. I just want to pull this off here quickly. A little cheat sheet. I just want to look at something here quickly. News in 1 minute. In 1 minute. 3:45. Chicago PMI. Interesting. Yeah, we just want to look at something here quickly, guys. Just want to compare the numbers here quickly, guys. So we're going to 76.5. Alright. Okay. And pending home sales. 1.4. They're saying 1.5. Alright. So if these do come out right, it should be dollar strength. Okay. I'm done for the summit. Nas just ranging. News in 1 minute. Yeah, there we go. That would be appreciated. I saw the idea from the word of wisdom, for which I liked, and I saw that they are legit guys to do it. Yeah, no, they are proper. Any website I used to study candlestick patterns.
Baby pips.
Yeah, baby
Can't go
pips.
wrong there.
Which problems will the sign be, bro? If we do it, two things. It either will be in PE, where we are based, or it would be where the HQs are based and it'll be in Cape Town. But I think PE will be. If we are organizing, it's going to be in PE. FX Goat. Oh, he's an idiot. Sharp rail pop up if I get to Aldo Scribanti. Hey. Yeah, bro. If you come here, then you can. Key Rouge Terminal, are you looking at Reuters? Or Reuters? Whichever way you want to say it. Alright. Yeah, so we are just waiting here patiently, guys. Just see what we can get here. We're not going to jump the gun on anything. Ooh, US30 might look good, yeah, guys, if it holds that support. Don't know if I want to just jump into that right now. Either Nas or US30 are both looking very good right now. Yeah, it's Reuters. I'll just say, so depending on, just like you pronounce it, either Reuters or Reuters, whichever one you want to call it, but yeah. Reuters. Yeah, this US30 looks good, bro. Daylight saving Sunday. Does it end on Sunday? Oh, it does, I think. Then lunch session is also earlier as well. Yeah, dearest, give signal, brother. Hey, there we go, brother. I'll definitely go check it out afterwards. Gold. Okay, Gold's retesting that breakaway. UK is Sunday, yeah. Yeah, then our London sessions from next week should be earlier. I bought GPUSD, fingers crossed. Best of luck there, brother. Yeah, just being patient, guys. Markets have been quite volatile, yeah. Yeah, I know, bro. Editing's a whole nother ball game, man.
But you gotta admit it as well. It's pretty nice editing. It brings out your creative juices.
Gee, literally keys TP was my entry in London. Hey. Oh, Kiga, the way you said best of luck, you want those other bars on Nas, eh? Nah, dude, but I'm actually liking the bars on gold here now, bro. I think those aren't there for me, but gold's looking good. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take about 0.5% on gold. Alright. I'm in 0.5%, basically from this morning. Let's see, where is it there? Yeah. Okay. We're running, it's 30, very, very aggressive. Very, very aggressive trade on this, guys. So just manage, like, if you want to. I said I'm 0.5% in. Very, very aggressive, but we wanted to see what happens. Yeah. As I said, going 0.5%. Obviously today's morning TP. And we kind of want this thing to flush. It's either going to reject this this area, or it's going to break through. So we're just going to monitor this, see what happens here. DXY on those lows. So either DXY as well. That's a bit of a 50-50. This might be a bit of a problem for us. But if DXY continues, we should get that there. So yeah, we'll just keep an eye out on this. Very, very aggressive trade, guys. So it's a little heads up if you guys don't want to be in this. Jeff, did you take any trades this week? He ran through it a bit earlier.
Yeah, we did.
Alright, I'm going to be back now, guys. I'll leave it on the screen for now.
Yeah,
just
you
so
can
you
leave
guys can
it.
see it.
Hey Jason, the best way, thank you TJ, thank you my man. Jason, the best way to calculate your lot sizes is to get yourself the FX Calculators app. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it if I put it on here, but this is how the thingy looks. Let's see. So that, can you see it? Yeah, so it's above the Celia keyboard. Purple one. FX Calculators, get that. And then from there, basically just go to position size and put in your account balance, your account currency, the pair you're trading, and you can select either the amount you want to risk or the percentage you want to risk. And then, yeah, we'll just throw out your lot size for you. Oh, it's a lifesaver, my man. It's a lifesaver. Yeah, so there's many different ones you can use, but the best one and the one we prefer is FX calculators.
Yo, Chad. I feel like Chris now. I feel like Chris. Walk away, come back, trades just annihilated. But that's why we manage risk, guys. 0.5% on that one. That is chilled. Still up 0.5 for the day.
Okay, I'm gonna say something now, ne?
Yeah.
It's not gonna Chad.
Oh damn.
Chad.
Bro, DXY is literally not even moving. Shit. Okay.
So what I'm about to say is, I'm not saying I'm doing this. I'm not saying you must do this. But I was just thinking the other night, and this was before I passed my phase 2 and how I passed it in 2 days. So how I flip my accounts, small accounts, is once you up, you only start risking, like you said now, a percentage of your profit. Not all your profit, only a percentage of it. And I've realized if you do that by only trading your profit, you can flip an account. So there's someone, I'm not sure if it's in the chat, he didn't understand the rules of prop firm. Phase 1, this man makes 50%. And I'm like, bro, just stop. And then
Is this the guy with Volfunder?
yeah. And I told him to stop. Like, wait for winning trading days, and then go to your phase 2. Because technically he already passed now.
Yeah.
He's way beyond. He asked me, does the extra profit go to my phase 2? I'm like, I wish, bro.
Yes.
But 50%, and it just made me think like, yo. And what he did was the exact same thing. He just risked his profit, making sure that he doesn't risk more than 1%.
Nah, that's good. But it's the same thing, guys. I mean, yeah. That's literally, okay, for example, I think what James is saying here is literally what happened, yeah? Like, as much as I just got a chow to stop now, quick haircut, still up for the day. Purely because of the GU trade. Sell gold, yo, Impo. Could you not have given that signal like 5 minutes earlier, brother? AJ, and that's mine if I look at what? AJ, and that's many lots I look at.
It depends on your also that's the thing you have to look at also, Jason. What account are you trading? Are you trading a micro account, a standard account? You know, all these things play a role. So I would say the best way to do it, I'll be honest, I've never traded a micro. Okay, maybe I have in the past, but it's never a thing for me. I just feel like if you really want to understand your risk management, stick to a standard account, because obviously then if you use a micro account, you can use a bigger lot size, which will be equivalent still to your 0.0 lot size on a normal account.
I'm not sure.
Okay, no, so that's that will be a standard lot. Just make sure that on the app itself you put in your account currency as South African rands. So Ed, I think his first trades he risked 1%, and then once he was up, he started risking only from his profits. Because remember, also the thing becomes that's actually something I want to know also. Say you're up for the day. Say let's make an example. Say you're up 10%, and now let's say you lose 5% from your profit that you made. That will the account breach? No, ne? Because it's drawdown equity based on the day.
Yeah, so if you make like 4%, and then you can basically lose 9% because you'd have the 4% today and the 5%. Basically at midnight it resets the equity.
Yeah, so I think that put him a step forward, Ed. The fact that he was so high up, he could risk without. And I think also like maybe even there was a point where it was a 5% down thing, but the account didn't breach because of that rule that it's based on the starting point of midnight, like you can see it now with the reset.
Nothing but vibes, but yeah, these jokes. Literally import comes and says sell gold when it's no shit, it's dropping. And
that's the perfect example. Now
someone comes and says buy gold because it's going up.
That's the perfect example of chasing price.
Oh yes. Oh my word, guys. I don't know what happened with gold there, because if you see DXY was still going bearish. It still is now. That's why gold's going up here. So I don't know what the hell happened. Yeah, but oh yeah, part of the game, Chad. Part of the game. Sure, DXY is looking a bit messy now. And just I don't know what's going on here, bro. DXY is coming down, Nas going down, US30 trying to come up, gold. Oh. Markets are a bit messy this afternoon. Mo should full board this one for the first time. Oh, there goes DXY now. Gotta breathe. This gold doesn't know what it wants to do. Bro, this thing's up and down. Ran 30 pips in profit on AU longs. Gonna head to the gym and try and forget the fact I'm no longer funded. Yeah, not that fun, Ed. Let's just see a quickly chat. Sorry guys, I'm just looking at something here.
Kevin, if you are still watching, yes, it is me. That's not. I'm not a catfish. I'm live here every day.
The hell are you on about?
No. I'm just.
Who's Kevin?
No, just someone who messaged me. He can't believe. Not he can't believe we're live, but he maybe thought that we don't do actually trade live.
I was just like, who the flip is Kevin? I'll say Kevin in the chat.
Nah, I just told him to join in now. So we have a new member in the chat there. Hopefully.
Is in the chat.
I've heard it said that
It's one of the Chatadonia.
too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But I don't know about that. As many times as we've loved and we've shared love and made love, doesn't seem to me like it's ever enough.
Is DXY rejecting? Yeah, it is rejecting there now.
It's just not enough. Oh, babe,
Yo, this is a tune.
my darling,
Oh. It's a mini Friday today, baby. And now Nas and US30 are going up as dollars going. I give up, guys. I give up. What did the news come out as? I actually forgot about the news. Oh, damn. Hold on. Was that the news that came out on that gold trade? It was 10-2. Okay, it wasn't.
What's up, Liesel? Welcome.
Was higher. Okay, yeah. That's your dollar strength now. Bro, DXY is all over the place. That thing is all over the place. I noticed that the market is a phase of consolidation followed by manipulation and eventually goes the direction we want. I also normally refer to that as accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Where is this thing now? So it just tests the Asia lows. S&R 7 rand, baby. W stream shot, brother. S&R shot, my man. Guys, power of 3, yeah. Guys, I never look at pips. I always work on R. I always target 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. I never look at pips. Stop loss and TP is always based on structure. Is this a good thing? Right, I trade SMC. Personally, bro, so I don't really trade SMC. And so this is what I always thought about. If you're going to set up a trade where the better opportunity of a trade. So, for example, if you are someone like that, you got to be patient. So, for example, a gold, let's just say Nas. Because I know that's been moving today. Like, I wouldn't, for example, enter here and now aim for, like, let's just say I enter a 25, or let's even just say a 30, okay? Now, I'm not going to aim over here for a 1, 2, 3, or whatever the case is, because it's just your probability is becoming less and less. But if I entered it off that EQ, that breaker back, and hold the support, there's a lot more probability, because if I am holding Asia highs, I've got a target of this weekly resistance to aim for, and I can enter there. So I'm entering the same trade, just where I'm entering becomes very, very crucial if you want to be aiming those type of RR trades. Otherwise, maybe a 1 to 2, you would have hit that now already. But my thing is, yeah, you can't just enter any time on the chart and aim for 1 to 3. When I personally believe, if you want to be aiming for those high RR trades, the entry and where and when you enter becomes very, very crucial of a trade.
Could you put my screen, Keeks?
On your screen, brother.
Okay, so I might take a sell on gold. So yeah, at this level, let me just get my price label. So at 22.12.15, that level more or less, we'll start looking for a sell. Only thing on this is we have okay, we obviously can't do anything about this, but the stop is big, so it's about 55 pips. So if you can, feel free to set it out. Obviously, you're gonna have to manage your risk. For myself, I've just realized, not just realized, but I must just manage my risk, obviously, and I can take it. But yeah, we'll target the Asian lows if price does go there.
Neil, I have to ask, what the hell is a turtle soup?
Oh, it sounds like ICT. Also, Lyle, you know, this that market has a phase of consolidation followed by manipulation, then eventually goes the direction you want. Yeah, that's called AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution.
I said that, brother.
Oh, is it? Oh.
A false sweep of an old low. Oh, okay. So where the hell did it get the name a turtle soup? Nowadays, I feel as if RC has become like a cult lol. There are so many aspects in trading to look at. I literally got removed from a trading group because I don't trade 100% RCT. That is crazy, bro. Yeah, we again, there were some big conversations about RCT in the pods that are going to come up. Some big talks there. So, with a lot of guys that do RCT. So, as I say, guys, these episodes are going to have a bit of everything for you guys. Literally, by far, going to be our best pods. You know, hey, the more I'm looking at it now, as much as I was like going for that bar purely of those DXY weakness, which to be fair was a fucking stupid move because there wasn't a reason to be dollar weakness. When again, That was dollar strength. That's a little bit of dollar weakness. Dollar strength. So you have $2 strength, $1 weakness. So I've already taught you guys that. And then I was talking about sells with a 30-minute closure underneath. So now when I'm sitting back looking at it, I have no clue why I actually bought in the first place. Like that, I actually don't know. But well, part of the game. We move on, we live, we learn. ST inner cold trading. Turtle soup was named after the turtle trade strategy, which was a breakout strategy. Turtle soup targets the trader's stop order. Okay, but my thing is still again, where the hell does turtles come into this? Like, what does a turtle have to do with a breakout?
I laughed the other day when we were sitting here, and you were like, Mo asked you about the news, and you said, yeah, so dovish and hawkish, and Mo was like, whoa, let me grab a pen and book. There's more animals.
No, bro, I did buy it because of DXY, but like, if guys know me, obviously I'm very fundamental. Like, when I go over to the fundamental side, that's what I'm saying was I bought it because DXY was going down. Yeah, obviously I think that's what I saw, but my thing was DXY didn't have a reason to go down. So normally I wouldn't trust it because it doesn't have a reason to. So that's like your fake out. Especially knowing that this was dollar strength. So yeah, that's what I'm just saying. I don't know, my brain, I don't know, like I said, I'm a bit of in overdrive from this week. But yeah, turtles are slow, referring to the swing trading style of turtle trading. Okay. Is it like a cheetah strategy then? For like scalpers? Bro, if they come and tell me there really is a cheetah strategy for scalping, I'm gonna die. And then I'm gonna die. Yeah, so then now it's coming down, US30. Are we having a full extended NYC or the pilots want to go rest? Nah, brother, we'll do like our normal time, so we'll push till like...
Till Asia.
I don't know what this man's smoking. Like Apple's 4, so if we're not eating anything, then we'll call it. Jean Lee, what's up, brother? There's a strat called the bunny hop strat for half free. What on earth? Bro, we got a whole like zoo here. You missed Yukiga, yes. Bro, funny enough, I'm not even in a debate. Wait, where's... guys, let's just see if Chris is here in the chat. Chris, come here quickly, brother. I don't know if he's in the chat. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Chris looks focused.
Okay, we can call Mo. I want to show you guys something. What's Nas doing? Jeff, I saw you on the leaderboard. Yeah, Jeff's on the leaderboard, guys.
Yeah. Hopefully I stay there.
Yes, doing good. Mo, so please tell the guys, when we were on our way back last night, what were we talking about? We were like, oh, you know, we're literally gonna get home by like 12, and then if we have to still come to the office and set up and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. No, we're gonna do it. Nah, Chad, let me tell you guys. We were, if it wasn't for these guys needing to get back home and check in with family, we would have been here. I shit you not. The idea was that we're just gonna start streaming, no announcement. Whoever's up gets a notification on YouTube and says, "Oh, the boys are streaming," and we're gonna hold them. No, we really were. So, yeah, Jeff.
Yeah, we were gonna do a spontaneous like Asia session and just see like how many of you like are subscribed when you get that notification, like the guys have gone live, and be like, what the hell? And just see what happens. So I think for shits and gigs, guys, the one day we are going to do an Asia session. Like, but we're just going to do it spontaneously.
Yeah, that's the whole vibe around it. It has to be spontaneous.
Yeah, you guys mustn't know it's coming. And
Yeah.
we're going to be like, there we go. JPY, CPI, trading live.
Yours up. Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, no, it's fine.
Thanks, man. I trade like Jevon. The gold sell is what will take in stop loss and TB, like how you position it for, which it will be 1 to 4. Jevon will be my guy. Awesome, brother. Glad Jevon can accommodate you. Well, I'm gonna join, baby. Lol, but Asia session barely goes anywhere.
Mo said Mo said even if you catch 3 pips, it's fine.
Nas looking rather messy. Hold on, guys. To be fair, let's just go to gold quickly, okay? Like, I just want to see something here. If we do this, Asia session, if you bought on the EQ or the daily pivot, like 25 pip stop, you literally could have smashed a 1 to 3 in Asia session. Even in this, yeah, the retest of the lows, because obviously you won't know that's Asia lows as of yet because it's still setting it, but that would have just been a low of the day. If it supports, the next candle it's held, you buy on, so that would have been there. You could have again hit the 1 to 3. The previous day you still could have that wouldn't really be maybe a 1 to 1. That would have been a tight one. The day before, the lows over there, you would have bought, okay, we would have bought into London session. This would have been easy, bro. This one would have been easy. The break all the way up by like 5 o'clock in the morning, a nice sell, all the way down. Like, you could catch some moves. I feel it's just a lot more riskier because nothing's technically set out for the day yet.
Here wins.
He's saying what a pivot is. Bro, a pivot is like a pivot in anything. It's just the same one, I think. So it's where obviously price wants to trade to then extend off of. So nothing going to happen on markets now, I guess. The market makers are eating pickled fish and hot cross buns. I closed G on 20 pips. Markets are messy at the moment. I'll check later on. Yeah, markets aren't really doing too much. Cheers, Jay. I caught my 77 pips on gold. See you next week. Awesome, Ruben. Enjoy, brother. We'll see you next week. Will you take sales if Nas breaks the date pivot and holds kicks? If Nas... maybe, bro. Maybe. Maybe I will. You, my boy. I saw your photos. Well done. Do you guys show volatility indexes as well? No, we don't. Yeah, markets are messy, guys. This isn't anything you want to trade in. So today is the last trading day of the week. Yeah, it is, brother. Nothing tomorrow. Jeff, whatever. Like, weren't you gonna take sales?
Oh yeah, I'm still waiting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
still
as your
waiting.
point is.
Yeah.
Can you get a song request? Trust the process to close it. Is this turn into a song request here?
Did you answer Rash's question about the volatility?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The market's really slow. DXY moving, but others standing still. And when the others move, DXY stands still.
Markets are dead, bro. They are dead. So your photos GJ also looking promising. When we close, you always play the songs. That's why I love you, my brother. What do you want to do in G? To about the 192 250 area. I might, after a 15-minute candle close, I might take the sells on Nas, guys. I'm just giving you a heads up. I will risk my other 0.5% for the day. So I'll either go break even for the day or I'm making my 0.5% back. My sell had a drawdown, but let's see now. So we're gonna see. This is what we're looking at here, guys. Do you guys know what the volatility index is like? Fundamentals, move it, bro. Honestly, I don't pay that much attention to it, so I can't give you an answer. I don't know if Jave knows a bit more on that side of things.
Wait, Zaino, are you referring to like volatility with the rev? Are you referring to those indexes? Because I know some brokers also have a VIX, but it's not the same VIX that I'm familiar with.
Hi fam, hope you're doing well. I took a serious loss on 80 USD. I'm drinking as much water as I can so I can be full and full off to sleep. See you guys next week.
I think
awesome,
you must
my man.
almost say something else. I don't think water will put you to sleep. But now, my man, in cases like this, just go back to the drawing board, see what went wrong. If you just say it's a big loss, most likely it's risk management.
That's why I'm done with prop firms. Fuel scam. Never, bro. It's not prop firms. You just look in the wrong places, brother. Come over to Vault Funder. We'll sort you out. It's the same
And
thing.
plus, if you come to Vault Fund, we'll give you 40% off this weekend.
Yeah, my thing is, you can't tell me you want to go looking for a loyal wife, but you found her in a strip club. It doesn't work that way. Vault Funder, yeah, guys. Vault Funder, there you go. Vault Funder, check it out, guys. You can join up here, do your props, and at the moment we are running a 40% off, just Easter 40, and you guys can join up with Vault Funder. One of the proud sponsors of the 2Gs. Bro, like, that's my thing, like, again, look at gold. Dollar is making a comeback, yet gold's also turning around the whole time. Like, I'm not interested in that. No way. And there's a ZAR account. I'm using AcuFunder, but withdrawals take forever. Yeah, bro. Once you have your 30-day, but once withdrawals go in, I think it's a 2-3 day process, depending on just like time-wise you entered in. But I think in 2 days, because we can literally do a bank transfer, and you will get your payouts. As a fact, this isn't talking. Vault Funder has not even rejected one payout yet, so no, we'll have no issues with payouts. Yeah, actually, that's the best way, brother. You're not gonna regret it, my man. Alright, guys, there you go. There's a link for you guys. You can sign up with that, and then Easter 40 for 40% off. Literally, it's for the weekend, guys. A little Easter special for you guys. So definitely take advantage. That is 40% off on all accounts. So whether you want the small ones or the big ones, there's a link for you guys to sign up with, and then you can do it that way. Hold on a second. Yeah, you should be, brother. So why did that get deleted?
Okay. Ek is baie close, nee. Okay. Only concern is I put it up there, then this is. Yeah.
We're gonna finish soon. You are always in a hurry.
No, I'm just saying, they close at 5. Don't until then. But I'm just saying, it's not
Okay, so Zeno, sorry, I didn't see the with the Riv. So here's the thing with the Riv. The Riv, to give you perspective, to 2021, the Riv made the cost amount again. I can't remember, but they made more than 1 billion in profits, right? And they only paid out less than quarter a billion to the traders, which means so I spoke to what's his name again? Can't remember his name, but anyway, the guy that he's one of the main guys who works at the Riv, and he explained to me how the Riv's a business model works. So basically, they have a lot of money, so that people code the synthetics for them. Basically, anyone can create synthetics, but the only problem is you will need the good code, and obviously then the money comes in when you have to link yourself to meta quotes. You see, so so they have the liquidity to do that. But the thing is, because it's not backed on anything, it doesn't follow, it's not linked to any other markets. The Riv is the market maker. And purely like it's based on, how can I put it? It's not only driven by our volume, but also by a mathematical formula, if that makes sense. But there's a reason also why intellectual property is so private of the Riv. There's a reason why it's gotten so big.
Yeah, Rash, so the 40% deal, it is live at the moment, bro. So it is live. It will end on Tuesday. It is literally just for the Easter holidays. So yeah, there is the code. You guys obviously can use the code Easter40 for 40% off. And then there's a link for you guys. You can then go over and join. Again, 40% off on any accounts, guys. Jeff, you still not in your trader?
Oh no, I'm still waiting for gold dust.
Guys, I'm not happy with taking Nas yet. Literally nothing. I'm gonna give it one more 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna call it, guys. Markets aren't doing anything. They're a bit chalked already. Yeah, Fabio, no trade for me so far. It's all over the place. GG and trade, and see you guys next week.
Check you, my
Hopefully
man.
you guys make the most of it. What is the date next week?
The second be coming back to work.
Yeah. We're going to be focusing on a few new accounts and stuff like that, guys. So definitely try and make the most of everything. As I say, we are going to be doing some big things. So definitely starting off with a nice new account would be very, very good for you guys. So definitely take advantage of it while you can.
And also, for instance, this right now is a perfect test to see how bad you want it. So for instance, if you are limited with cash and you see this weekend as a time and place to party, you know, and waste money and not buy the account while you have a 40% off discount, when next week comes, can't complain about anything in life if you had the opportunity right now.
Yeah. Yeah, no, probably I'm gonna stay out, but yeah, have a good Easter, my brother. And yeah, bro, it is still a steal. I mean, if you consider that's basically the equivalent of a $50K account, and that's a lot more either way. So definitely a steal. So, and the withdrawals are a lot quicker.
I know I'm gonna get me a $500,000 now when I get home.
You've got access to us, so we can get things done very, very quick for you. So to me, it's a no-brainer, guys. It is a no-brainer. Gold now trying to go up after all of that. Are we gathering up for NFP as well? I don't know which NFP you're talking about, brother. To basically have random price generators with Argo software and basically gets updated every week. But
if
it's a
we're
very
gonna hear
interesting
about
concept which
algorithms,
always
then
comes
it's like,
further.
oh yeah.
Hey.
I'll be honest. yes, there is a algo that controls certain things, but it's not random prices that is generated. Because now imagine this. Imagine most traders on the right side of this randomly generated number. Is that good for business? It's not good for them. Still based on liquidity. This is why you would see, for instance, like crash. I think it's crash 500. Crash 500. A lot of people bought it for a very long time. It made those highs, and then obviously at those highs, what do you then base your trade off? So what happened? Everyone started closing their positions. What happened to crash then? The market literally crashed. And only when market set those new lows, how long was this at those lows? People were scared to buy. So it dipped lower and lower and lower and lower. And eventually, this is also why you'll see, for instance, before the Riv launches a new pair on their server, on their live server, it always comes live on a demo first for 2 months. Why? Because then there's no data. Then literally based on what people see, those orders that are taken, it's like wherever, okay, how can I put it? That data collected within that demo period is then put to the live chart, and that's how the charts then come live with certain values and stuff like that. It's a very interesting concept.
Alright guys, but that's it guys. I think we're going to call it for the sesh. That's it for the week. It was good to be back. We're still up 0.5% for the day. At a bang of a GU trade, and then gold just all over the place. So I'm not going to even try to waste my time with it. But Jeff, any closing remarks, brother?
From my side, guys, Good Friday tomorrow. No need to force anything. The market has been slow. It showed us that for 4 days. So don't do anything now. That might ruin your Good Friday. And also from my side, this gold trade, by 5 o'clock, if I'm not tapped in, I'm gonna delete the order.
Alright, so there you guys have it. One last look. 3, 2, 1. You guys can screenshot it. There we go. So 5 o'clock, you're not tapped in, delete the order, guys. You heard it from the man. But other than that, guys, it's been good. Been an insanely busy week. So again, we wish you guys nothing but the best. Obviously, it is Good Friday. Why is my spanner pointing right? Can I fix it to point left? But alright. Give us a account there, brother. Then maybe we can see about that. But other than that, it has been your G's. It's good to be back. But enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Enjoy with your loved ones. A happy Easter to everyone. And we will see you guys on the flip side, alright?
And last but not least, we also love you.
Yeah, there we go. Peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys next week, Tuesday. Keep in mind, Tuesday. And we will be in here earlier for the opening bell, 8:30, as daylight savings has changed again. So we'll see you then. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Moving slowly, yeah, I know my life ain't regular. Leave it all to the power, top gets lonely, and everything moving slowly.